In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, open up your Word document and find the text that you want to highlight. The most common way is to use the Text Highlight Color tool, which looks like this. By default, it's set as yellow. If you want to change it, you click on the downward arrow and select the color of your choice. Let's say this turquoise. Then you're going to select on it, make sure it's highlighted and slightly gray, and your cursor will change to a highlighting cursor when you go over a piece of text. Then select your mouse left click and drag. And then when you let go, it will highlight that piece of text. In order to remove the highlighted text, you just select it, then go up here, click on the downward arrow and select no color. Within a phrase or a sentence, you can actually highlight keywords. So let's say I want to highlight the word highlight. Just going to double select it, which highlights it. Then go to the downward arrow next to the highlighting tool, select on the color of your choice, and now the highlight has been highlighted. If you're like me and like quicker ways of doing things, there's a shortcut to open the highlighting tool. Press Alt+Ctrl H, and you'll notice up here that it's now been selected. And when I go over a piece of text, the cursor changes to the highlight cursor. From here, select and drag, and your text will be highlighted. A common issue many people find is that they can't get off the highlighting tool. At the moment, it's still there as a highlighting tool. It's still selected. If you just press Escape, it will be unselected, and you're now ready to type. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you learn more about how to format your Word documents, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.